Titchfield High is represented by Alex Anderson, Quayne Smith, Orlando Lee, and Romaine Smith. Queen's School is represented by Daniela Knight, Ashley Dawkins, Dominique Rodway, and Ariel Ann Douglas. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and Titchfield High won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with Titchfield High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Titchfield will begin with Bible knowledge. In which city did Peter preach his sermon on the day of Pentecost?
Peter. Jerusalem.
Jerusalem.
Correct. Queen's Bible knowledge. After Peter's sermon on the day of Pentecost, about how many people were saved?
About 3,000.
3,000.
Correct. International affairs. This is a visual one. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed. Titchfield.
India.
Correct. Queens, your international affairs. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Australia.
Incorrect. New Zealand. Biology for Titchfield. What is the name of any substance or agent that is directly involved in causing cancer?
Carcinogen.
Correct. Biology for Queens. What is the name of the blood vessel that sends blood from the gastrointestinal tract and spleen to the liver in humans?
Mesenteric artery.
Incorrect. Hepatic portal vein. English language for Titchfield. Which 5-letter word that starts with U is a prefix meaning extreme?
Ultra. Nice. Ultra.
Correct. English language for Queens. Which 5-letter word that starts with F means a demon?
Fiend.
Correct. Music. Titchfield. Listen to this clip. Identify the artist, please.
Tina Turner.
Incorrect. That would be Miss Shaka Khan. Music for Queen's School. Listen to the clip. Identify the artist.
Rest of my heathens checking out a lock at the top of the 4 seasons. Penthouse, rooftop, birds I'm feeding. No deceit.
Ludacris.
Incorrect. That's Nelly. Hot in Here. General knowledge for Titchfield. Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Correct. General knowledge for Queens. Name one of the planets which is identified as the blue planet.
Neptune.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Wait, for me boy, no? You call something like Geoffrey Roche.
Geoffrey Roche.
Correct. Queens. Theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Roger
Moore.
Incorrect. Jeremy Irons. Geography for Titchfield. Which type of coal is the highest in carbon content and generally has the highest calorific values of all coals?
Charcoal.
Incorrect. Anthracite. Geography for Queens. In which type of drainage pattern do tributaries join at high angles and is common in areas with rocks of different strengths and with regular series of falls?
Trellis.
Correct. Sports. Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Flojo.
Incorrect. Gail Divas. Sports for Queens. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Zoe Hobbs.
Incorrect. Marion Jones. Chemistry for Titchfield. How many stable isotopes does the element fluorine have?
5 stable isotope. 5.
5.
Incorrect. 1. Chemistry for Queens. How many stable isotopes does the element nitrogen have?
Stable isotopes.
3.
Incorrect, 2. And mathematics for Titchfield. What is the... All right, so there's no time to ask that one. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Titchfield High on 6 and Queen's School on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.